Hey everybody, it's Adler the Eagle, and I'm going to be opening this box that I got from South Korea for my friend Titania. Here, let's put that there. I'm going to need... Oh! It's okay.
Super adorable penguin.
Oh, on the side?
Yeah, right there.
Right on the side. Right on the side. Very adorable penguin. Korea Post. While you were busy watching anime, I was studying the blade. That's dangerous.
Yeah, that was making me nervous.
That's making me nervous too.
You got tiny knives.
I know, I was gonna say I have tiny knives.
Just use the tiny knives.
Tiny knives. I am not doing good with this one. I don't know how this box is set up. I need to cut away from me.
Yes.
Hey, you're not the knife expert here. I'm the knife expert. Is this open now?
Now it is.
Okay.
4.
Today's episode is brought to you in part by the letter 4.
4 is not a letter.
Well, speaking of the letter 4, I can't... Oh!
4 is not a letter! Oh my gosh, that's so... Oh, I love it!
It's so cute. It's so cute! Oh, there's words. Hello, I'm your fan in Korea. I hope you enjoy Korean snacks and noodles. Keep going, from Titania. That is so cute. So we're gonna... Jeez, this is full. Well, speaking of not being able to distinguish between letters and numbers, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to tell what most of this is. It's cow soup.
Cow soup.
Cow soup. That's
Like-
what it says on the top.
Like beef?
Like beef. Is it cow flavored or is it beef flavored?
I'd assume beef.
Is beef cow flavor? It's got corn on it. Is it just chips? It's
Hey,
got corn.
that's like Indiana.
It's that's like where we're from. Home run ball. Small custard cream and chocolate. So sweet. Heart.
Oh, it's chocolate?
Yeah. They kind of remind me of Cheetos. It's Cheetos and they say, "Oh Gamja. Oh hi potato. Sweet salty potato snack." There's like a little thumb and like an up. Oh, I took one on accident. It's on, what am I now? I am Popo Show, meaning Crunch Crush. That's stuck on me though. Okay, this is a squid snack. Oozing a tank. It's crispy inside. Oh, there's like a crispy inside. Okay. Squid snack. You want to try that one?
I don't like squid.
Yeah.
I don't like squid.
I love squid.
I know you do.
This is a jelly bob. Oh, they're gummies. They're like gummies.
Yes.
Yeah, I like gummies. This is Sun Chips. Okay, maybe a little spicy. But this is like the Korean version of Sun Chips.
Oh,
Like
yes.
literally it looks
There we
just
go.
like them.
There we go.
Yep, I know that one. I know Sun Chips. Yep.
Some chips be good.
Yep, Sun Chips is good. It's so good with coffee. Oh, okay. These are like coffee crackers.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, there's a little picture. Tuk Tuk, meaning blunt. I think this is the one that goes to. I'm not sure. This one didn't lose it, but it has. I like its little frill.
Oh, I like it.
It's got like a frill.
I would buy it for the frill.
Honey butter chips. It was so popular in Korea. Sweet and salty at the same time.
Oh.
Ooh. Sweet and salty. All the rage in Korea, I heard. All the rage. You can't get enough of the good honey butter chips. That sounds great. Oh, I just want to eat snacks now.
Honey butter chips.
This is crunchy GDID new flavor. Sweet and salty. That must be the thing right now. They really like sweet and salty in Korea. Okay, oh, I lost it.
It's by your talon to your left. It's blue.
Oh, over here by my talon. Is it on the bottom of it?
No.
No. On the bottom.
There's another one that just fell off. It was on the top.
Top of what?
On the top of your talon.
Oh, on the top of my talon?
But it's on your thigh.
This is only in Korea, and it's got this like really funny little chicken on the top of it. It's got he's like in a little soup, and it looks like I think he's eating himself. This is a little morbid. That's a little morbid for soup.
It looks like cotton candy from back here.
This is a bag of chips. I know that because I know I'm from America and I know what I know what a potato chip looks like.
Potato chip.
Potato chip. But I think I ripped the thingy off. Oh, there's a lumberjack on this one.
Ooh.
He's not a furry or anything. He's just a lumberjack.
Which that's okay.
Which is okay. Oops. Well, thank you so much, Titania. I think I'll have to, like, write everything down and give, like, a full review of each and, like, each candy. So, okay, and then we have one more package for this episode, and it's another package from Wendy, who got us the gay sword. So let's go ahead and do this. Ugh. I always get a little bit nervous. Wendy sent both, Deb. Deb, come here. Deb! Deb! Deb, 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 Deb! Here she comes. Oh! Aw, Deb. Oh, so perfect. She's pretty. Okay. All right, let's get back to our scheduled programming. There, Deb can sit there. Okay, so this package was again from Wendy. Thank you, Wendy. Also, if you want to send me something, hit me up. Send a message or an email to adlertheeagle12@gmail.com, and we'll figure out how you can get your package to me. This is a more conventional box, so that was good. And this is very yellow, whatever it is. Oh, jeez.
Ah.
Sorry, Sore. Oh, my. Okay. It's a bundle of little ducks.
Oh.
It's a bundle of little Debs. Oh, my gosh. Okay.
Deb has children now.
She has ducklings. She's got a whole family. Okay, there's one of these. Oh, here. I want to see how many is in this. Okay, it says there's 50. Okay, so there's one. 50 ducklings. 50 ducklings.
100 ducklings.
50 ducklings.
150 ducklings.
And guess what?
400 ducklings. 400.
Sorry, Sore. Not 400. There's only 50 in each.
20 ducklings.
20?
100.
Can you count to the letter 4? Cause I sure can't. I'm gonna.
Do you want to throw me some food while I watch?
Yeah.
You got a lot of food over there.
Yeah, here you go.
Cool, thanks.
That's the mushrooms.
Yay!
All right. Well, I think that's it. So if you want to be featured in the next episode, you can hit me up on Twitter, or you can email me at adlertheeagle12@gmail.com, and we'll figure out how we can get your package here so I can open it. I always really enjoy this. Again, thank you so much to Wendy for sending me 201 ducks, and to Titania for sending all the snacks. And I think that's it. So thank you so much, everybody, for watching, and help someone smile today. Bye! They squeak.
Deb's children!
They squeak!
There's so many of them!
The video's not over!
There's so many! This is worse than ramen.
This is worse than the ramen. Oh, goodness. Oh, we got some picking up to do. Oh, Deb, your children are everywhere! Oh my gosh, there's so many!